Hello everybody, hello. It's me again, a sister or a friend, Lady J. And if you have not subscribed for my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so that if I put more video, you will be the first person to know. And if you have subscribed here before, thank you and God bless you. So now me, Lady J. I want to give advice to our ladies, some of our ladies, my gallant ladies in the house. So I want to give advice to them. So there's one lady who called me. So he saying just give birth and the husband begin the man just the advice some of our ladies, So you will marry husband will be saying no the first stay without sex. Make you learn for this one, you understand me? So he just gave birth. After 1 week, the man begin they tell am say he want jogodo, he want do, he want, So she can say no. The man say la, if you not agree, he go outside, he go do this. So the lady have to really can say okay, make him manage, and they sold that place. She gonna give the man, and later now the man now begin the after I don't give the man now, so they can't rush her go hospital. So that place now where they for swam, you can't open again. So they have to come the treat her for hospital. Even the doctors, all of them, they quarrel with her, So I was like, are you serious? You know really how you want please your husband, you go displease yourself. Some of our ladies saying, I don't really know where some of their sense, where they, you understand me? How you want please man, go displease yourself? You don't even know what will happen to you for that way you go do. My people, I beg. Make una learn from this one. You just get better, I beg. If the man want go outside, let her go. Maybe evil is not threatening you now, you understand me? Let her go now. For me to kill myself, I don't fit to no, God forbid bad thing. So if he say no fit stay and he want go outside, so let her go. Let am go, I not feel to go kill myself because of marriage. You understand me? At least 1 month, 2 months, he will still give you. Maybe you use and take care of yourself before anything. You understand me? So that is for that. So my lady, you not do away. In case of next time, at least 1 month, 2 months for me. You see. Men they talk to now. One of they give una wife some time before anything. Before una want jogodo, I beg. One of they give our women some time. Make they take care of themselves first. You understand? To go that place, easy. So that one for that one. Our ladies again will be say you wait of a born picking. This one I advice to our ladies will be say. You don't feel born pikin before, so now you want born another one again for another man. At least you still let the man marry you. Make sure say you do traditional marriage. Maybe say what that first one of you do for you, the second one do one for you now. So make sure say you marry, so that if they see you, you go know say yes. What enough you do another man don't do one. Not be say you just go carry belly again. No respect now. And not gonna respect you because say see he no marry and say go born another one again. That one too not still marry. Make sure say you do one, you do traditional marriage, you do actually that our traditional dress now, that's our hair. Make sure say you do one so that you go see and you go know say yes. You go know say yes. Him himself you go they pay now. You go say after how many children? Now another man just go marry, so you got a pain for what he did. You understand me? So not be said the one I not like. I'll just see some of our ladies saying the thing will just diverse me. You will definitely bump picking. You don't get sense when you can't get sense. You don't get sense again now. So before you born for another man, make sure say he marry you. And if you don't quickly born for him now, maybe you listen to this message. Make sure say you see let him may go marry you. Then you from there you will know whether now you know that and you go know say that you be wife. You understand me? So that is for our beautiful ladies in the house. And say another one again. If you born for man, you marry man marry you, husband and wife on the house. Me say you not feel go out again, you not feel go party again, you not feel go anywhere again. No. If you if you don't marry, it not me say you know if you leave your pikin for your husband sometimes. Say now understanding matters a lot for marriage. Understanding. If your husband understands you, say you don't be the cheating type, and you are going there just for fun. If you finish, you still come house. Your husband will still help you. Now understand. Don't say you shout for him. Understanding. Sweetheart, please, I'm going out. I beg. These children, you go help me look. They don't carry their follow body. Now your children too. You understand me? The one way me know like you can't like one first and no. You beg them. Say make it help you look your children when you want to go one party and you don't want to carry the follow body. Now your children too. They go look am. I be my people. They go look am. Because the ones where sometimes if you go party, you not carry your children. The way some women go to they do like say maybe not be the man born now. Because they ask you where your children. You don't still live there for us. You don't if they see say your husband they help you, it go be jazz. It go be saying that jazz now you use for the man. I don't understand some of our ladies. They go say you know they even they'll go they gossip for our side. You know they even carry children go party. He husband and they always they help and look am. Not be children too. Now only you want born am. Bini go say what about you sorry? What now only you want they say make it take care of the pikin. Your husband not help you take care of him. Not be he pikin too. I don't understand some women. I don't really understand. No matter why they talk. If you know say your husband not they help you, try. Maybe if you get what you they do, you know they do where they do and so that make it go they help you. You understand me? Love that matters a lot for marriage. Not be just to go born pikin, just to go marry. Love that matters a lot for understanding. Understand each other. The marriage go too sweet. You understand? What does the marriage not sweet? A lie. Marriage sweet when you marry the right man. You understand? When you marry the right man, marriage is sweet. You understand me? So that one for our ladies. Then another one again, some of our ladies, you know, you go bump pikin. You know go reach before you reach 1 year, don't carry another belly. Before you reach another 1 year, don't carry another belly. Then if you come they carry maybe the man, you know they even get air from the man. Nothing. If they die in silence, they go the bonbon. Then if they carry the children go outside, the children now go they misbehave. You go begin to shout for them, they insult, they do this, they beat them. They carry that pepper body where the man not take the air palm, they say they beat them. You understand? So my people, I beg, before you born, follow your pikin. Make sure say that pikin don't see the waka small. Make sure say the pikin don't see it don't the waka follow you. You don't see know how to go message all those things. Before you go say okay, man say carry another one. And make sure say they get help from your mouth too. May not be so only you want, they do everything. You know easy to take care of pikin, eh? It's not easy. So I beg, make we give ourselves respect so that the men will see the respect us. You understand me? And before I forget, our hookup is still there. And if you need a responsible man, you need a responsible woman, you can call Lady J. My number is there. You can add me on WhatsApp or call me. Then we will give you the right woman and the right man for you to marry. Your match. You will marry. You understand me? Because now things don't change. You not be like before where we say if they work out, they go for road, man go they toast you. Now it not be like that. Now either internet, somebody introduce you. Now so marriage now some mess that they busy because of work. They not the fit really see woman talk to. So and some women see they are dying in silence there. They need man by their side. You wait about pikin, don't be say you don't feel marry again, my dear. So, but if you're not born like 4 or 5, you don't need for me, you don't need marriage again. Just to the like maybe you just need man we don't see born finish 12 when I go just they enjoy on ourselves they go. You can still call me too. You understand me? So might be the advice that I get for our ladies, and our hookup is there, so you can call me if you need a man or a woman. We are there for you people. And God bless you. Thank you. If you have not subscribed, subscribe and hit the notification bell so that if I put more video, you will be the first person to know. Thank you everybody, and share this video for me.